Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to assemble and set up the Google Voice Kit. Let's unveil the box. Inside, you'll see a 75-page book, which you probably won't need after watching me. Here's a piece of paper that tells you need a Raspberry Pi 3. Let's take a look at what you should have. You have a speaker, an arcade button, 2 pieces of cardboard. This is for the outside of the box, and this is for the inside of the box. Let's take a look. Here's some wires that connect everything up. This piece of hardware is actually the microphone that will listen to your voice. And this piece of hardware attaches to the top of your Raspberry Pi. Once you have it all hooked up, it's going to be pretty amazing. This little button even has a light. It's like an arcade button. And this heavy speaker has 2 wires which we'll be hooking up later. First step, let's take these 2 white pieces and stick them in the 2 holes that you see here. It should look like this when you're done. The next step, we'll put the voice hat on top. Make sure the blue thing is at the bottom and match it up where the white pegs are. Place it on top like so. If I show you the side, you'll see that the black connectors match up on the left side and the white pegs are on the right side. After you push it down, it'll look like so. See the white pegs and the blue thing. There you go. Next, let's attach the speaker. On the face of the voice hat, where the blue thing is, below it, you'll see a plus sign on the left and a negative sign on the right. Let's plug the red wire into the left and the black wire into the right, like so. Let's lock these wires in. Use a 00 screwdriver, not too tight, or else they'll break through. Take the cable with 4 wires and plug it into the 4 pins. Take the cable with the 5 wires and plug it into the 5 holes on the microphone. Then take the other end, which also has 5 wires, and plug it into the 5 pins on the voice hat. Take the bigger cardboard with the 7 holes and fold it into a cube. Follow the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're done. Should look like this. Take the smaller cardboard and fold all 3 sides towards you. Punch this through and then fold it back. Make it look like this. Place the Raspberry Pi at the bottom with the metal boxes on the right side where the number 2 is. Next, we'll assemble the speaker into the box. Put the base of the speaker into the slot. Speaker here. Next, we're going to fit the internals with the speaker into the outer box. Match up the speaker with the 7 holes. Slide it in. You can leave the microphone dangling for now. Just push it down into the box. Make sure the speaker has the 7 holes. This is how everything should look. The USB ports are shown here with the Ethernet. The power and the HDMI are shown here. And the micro SD card is right there. Here's a view of the top. Next, we'll take the button and put it in the hole in the lid. This piece is called a nut. Screw it in from the bottom of the button. It fastens it so that the button doesn't come off the lid. This is really important. Make sure your button looks like this. The two metal pins on the gray box should be on the top. The two metal pins on the red button should be on the bottom. Attach the wires in this order. From the top left to right, the white and the black. From the bottom left to right, the blue and the red. Next, we'll attach the microphone. See the little black dots inside the white circles? Match those up with the holes in the cardboard. This lets your voice through so it's heard by the microphone. Just tape it on. Voila! The holes match up. We're almost done. Neatly put the wires in and close the lid. Insert the micro SD card and let's power it on. You'll see it glow red. Yes, we're done! Let's see what this thing does. What are you?
I'm a lot of things. Search engine, radio, trivia host, and friend. More simply, I'm your Google Assistant.
Okay, Google, what's the weather in San Francisco, California?
Currently in San Francisco, it's 58 and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 64 and a low of 52.
Okay, Google, how do you say, I need to go to the bathroom in Mandarin?
我需要去洗手间。
Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like it and subscribe.